not correct, if I ain't
Yeah,
mistaken, right? Like you feel like,
yeah, yeah,
bro,
yeah.
how did that shit come about? That's different right there.
Man, just on the cool, just man, on the cool, bro. I remember one time on Facebook, bro, I had put out like a free little drum kit. You know what I'm saying? And
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? I was able to acquire like a bunch of emails, build a cool little mailing list off of that. In like 2016, I had dropped my first drum kit, snare and style. Just trying it just to try, bro. I put drum
Was
loops
that
in
the
there.
Ibis Smith box kit, bro?
That one came after that. You know what I'm saying? That one came after that. But yeah, I dropped snare style first, and then you know what I'm
You said
saying. I
what?
got hella
Snare
love.
what?
Snare style.